Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching yet another video. Now this one is an updated eyelash tutorial. One of my subscribers did ask that I do another one, and I mean it's been a year, so I think I can give you one, rightfully so. Not much has changed, but I can say that I definitely know better now than I did a year ago in terms of how to apply my lashes and the glue and all of that good stuff. So let's get into it. I've just come a bit closer so we can see how to apply your lashes. Now firstly, I just want to show you guys the thing that you need in terms of applying your lashes. So you're going to need a mirror. So I just have my Carly Bible palette. I'm going to use this mirror. You want a nice big mirror so you can be able to see everything. Mascara. So some people apply mascara before applying the lashes. Some people apply it after applying the lashes. At the moment, I have applied it before, but usually I do apply it after. And then you're going to need a spoolie brush. So I have really curly eyelashes, so I just like to brush them down so I can be able to see where exactly I place the falsies. Next, you need an eyelash applicator. So you also use this to pluck your eyebrows. Usually I just use my hands, honestly, but if you have long nails, you might need this applicator because your nails are going to get into the way. And lastly, of course, you need the eyelashes and the glue. So I'm just gonna explain basically my process of applying the lashes. So these lashes are from Pinky Goat. How stunning are they? So I bought these at Clicks. They were less than 100 Rand, if I am correct, maybe 80, I can't remember exactly. I wore these lashes to the Beauty Revolution event and I posted that video last week. If you haven't checked it out, it will be up in the cards. So I love these lashes. So these are lightweight, reusable foam mink lashes. So usually with lashes like these, you can reuse them, wear them up to 20 times. Honestly, if they're in good condition, you can wear them even more. Definitely for a special occasion, okay? You don't just wear these lashes anywhere. They are so dramatic, but I love them. I mean, what else are you gonna put falsies if there isn't a bit of drama? That's just me though. That's just me. So we have the Kiss glue. So I also bought this at Clicks. It was round about 70-80 Rand as well. So this is a strip lash. So it says adhesive, so in case you get confused, it's not written glue. So this is clear, transparent, so it has aloe in it. Listen guys, this glue sticks, okay? I was used to using the glue from the Eyelash. So when you buy the Eyelash lashes, it comes with that small tiny white glue. That thing was so annoying because you kept having to reapply your lashes 2-3 times during the day. This is one go and you're done. You do not need to apply them again. So this is how it looks like. Very cute gold lid. So when you open it, this is the applicator. It's very thin, very nice, so it's easy to apply. The glue is white, but it does clear and become transparent when it is dry. So obviously I've already used these, but I'm gonna open them and immediately you can see that this is for your left eye, this is for your right eye. So you don't want to mix or swap or whatever. As you can see, it goes from short to long. If you can see right there, that is how it looks like. So I like to stretch it a bit. So I take the lash and I just play around with it like that. Just because usually it's a bit too straight and that is not how your eye sits. Your eye sits more or less like that. So Just want to stretch it into position so it can fit the eye. But be very gentle, you know, you don't want to rip the eyelash. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're gonna take your mirror and you want to look downwards, because if you look straight ahead and try to apply, you see there's no room. You also can't see, it doesn't make sense, right? So you want to look down. So that's why you want to place your mirror straight like this, put it downwards, take the lash, place it onto the eye, so more or less where it would sit. More or less you can see, okay, so if I put it there, it ends there, cool. So the nice thing about these lashes, I did not have to cut them at all, they fit perfectly. Usually with some lashes it might be a bit too long, so if it is, you want to make sure that you cut from the end and not from the beginning, not from where it's already short, because that doesn't make sense. You definitely don't apply the glue and then immediately stick it on your eye. It's just gonna move around, right? Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply the glue. Like so. So also another thing, if you have eyelashes that you're going to reuse, make sure that you just take off the residue, I guess, that was left behind from the previous time that you used it. Otherwise the glue sticks onto that and it just doesn't stick properly onto your eyes. So I don't know, I go over it a few times just to make sure, because yeah, but you probably don't, because this is like really proper glue. So you can wait 30 seconds, you can blow on it, you can just chill. What I actually like to do, I like to put the one down. I take the other one so long. So I've removed all that residue that was left from last week from using the eyelashes. And I'm gonna apply the glue on there. Honestly, I am not used to using the applicator, so I'm probably just going to use my hands because it's easier for me. So in this way, once you've finished applying your one lash, you can go ahead and apply the other one. So you want to get your mirror ready. So you first want to stick down the middle, then left, right, left, whichever way works for you, as long as these lashes stick down, right, and they do not move. So I'm gonna brush my lashes down. I'm gonna brush them down because I have applied mascara and now they're just sitting up. So I'm gonna brush them down. I'm just gonna use my hands, guys, I can't. So the corner is down there, so I'm gonna take it, put down the other corner, I'm gonna take the other lash, middle, then I do this corner, and I do the other corner, and then I just clamp it down with my fingers. And there you go. It took my look from 0 to 100 really quickly. I love these lashes, people. They are stunning. Now the next step is to take your mascara. So you don't want to put mascara on the falsies, no. So you're gonna put it on your lashes. As you can see, I'm just going under there. And I'm not putting it on my lashes, because these falsies, you can see they're doing all the work. They do not need mascara. And now you want to go below and apply. So honestly, for a first time person who's wearing lashes, you do not want to get these. Listen, even for me who's been wearing lashes for how long now, these feel quite heavy. I mean, you can really feel that you are wearing lashes, but there are less dramatic ones, very simple, very nice, but you can still see there's a bit of volume and you can actually see that you are wearing lashes. Yes, honestly, you are done. You are good to go. I'm gonna just come up close so you can see. You can't even really see my own lashes, so that's how close it must be. I am happy. I'm happy. Are you guys happy? Let me know down in the comment section. It's really difficult also to try to learn how to apply eyelashes if you are not gonna do it yourself. So you guys, honestly, you need to buy your own pair of lashes, buy the glue, get your mirrors. You all have mirrors, I know you do. Get your mascara. Honestly, that, where is it, this thing, it's tricky, my guy. It is tricky. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it was insightful. I really hope it was helpful. But now it's up to you to go and get those lashes, get the glue, and practice, practice, practice. I wasn't able to do this in just a few minutes. It really took long. But if you really want to learn, you gotta do the practicals. You have to do the practicals. So good luck to all of you who are going to be applying your lashes. Tag me when you do, take pictures, whatever. Just show me your progress, let me know, because then it shows that I'm actually being effective in these tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching. Our subscriber for the week goes to Portia Dumi Munedi. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you guys would like to do the same, all you have to do is hit the red button, bam, that's it, subscribe. Also just click the bell so you are notified of every time I post a new video, which is every single week. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and comment down below. Love you guys so much. May your day be ever flawless as you make up.